Hi, this is the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Sony Patil. The question is basically I'm losing my track in terms of preparation. Okay, I lost my motivation and I'm not sure what I'm doing is right or wrong. I'm losing my track, not being regular in my preparation. So, what should I do? Now, losing motivation is a very common thing for a lot of students. They start with a preparation and somewhere during the preparation they lose track. Very common. Specifically during this COVID times, you are at home, you don't know when the exam is going to happen, like the CT exam, we don't know when it's going to happen. So it's very common to lose focus and track as far as the exam is concerned. So what do you do in that case? My suggestion is you should have a broad-based plan. Saying that I will try to complete my syllabus in so and so time. That's one thing that you should have. Based on that, have short-term plans. Technically, you should have a weekly plan saying that this week I will complete these 2 or 3 chapters, or this week I will solve this mock, or this week I will do so many exercises. Have a weekly plan for you. Apart from the weekly plan, have a daily plan. Daily, write in ready. Either before you sleep or after you get up in the morning, write down what all work you plan to do during the day. Okay, ensure that you start with doing the most difficult work in the day, and that will help, or most important work during the day, and that should help you to at least get something on track. I understand you lose your motivation, but with a regular daily plan and with a regular daily schedule, if you're even able to complete some part of it on a daily basis, you will realize your preparation will come back to track. Also, one reason for demotivation is that we see our scores not improving, or we see that we're not getting the answers to a lot of sums. Just be relaxed. Don't get agitated by that. It's very common. A lot of people do get demotivated during preparation because they don't get the answers. Just focus on identifying your weakness and prepare accordingly. The more you prepare, the better you'll improve and the better your scores will be. And that's what you should do. In this case, as far as the motivation is concerned, my suggestion would be to create a daily plan and work on your plan. That is what is important. As long as you're able to create that regular plan and go along with your preparation, you will realize that your preparation will come back on track. I've recorded a few videos on tips recently. If you can go to those videos, I'm sure it will help you to bring your preparation on track. I think recorded 6 tips on how to that will help you for your MBA entrance exam. Look at those 6 tips, and I'm sure that will help you in your preparation. Hope that helps. Thank you.